After changing the cam sensor and the crank sensor several times and still getting an error, we thought maybe there was a malfunction with the ECU, so we sent that off to Holley. All right, we got this back from Holley, and they say it passed testing. Issue might have been just some loose connectors that's situated, and it fires on all 8 now. Okay, so now it's a passed ECU, still getting a combination of a gap and error for the cam sensor and crank sensors. It seemed that maybe there was on the connector side that some were loose. So those got pushed in, and now the engine's running great. Only problem now is is that we keep getting stall or error for the RPM. The RPM isn't being detected. So that's gonna be on the ignition side of things. Now, after checking, double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking all the plugs for the cam and crank sensor, the RPM is now a reading. It's fully functional. Anybody out there is having issues with the Holley Terminator and all your lights aren't green and you think all your sensors are good, try checking the Holley's connectors on the Holley side. That was our issue. We spent days and hours trying to find an issue that wasn't even wrong, ended up just being the Holley's connectors. Now that the engine's running right, got a little issue with the transmission.